Welcome everyone at my channel. Watch complete videos for key facts about famous celebrities. Don't skip and watch complete. Also like, comment, share and subscribe this channel.
Many diseases can be cured by doing Kapalbhati for just 5 minutes in the morning. By doing this, blood circulation not only improves, but the mind also remains calm. Yoga is a great option to keep your mind and body healthy. By doing this, even the oldest disease can be cured in a jiffy. If you want to avoid diseases, then definitely try Kapalbhati. It is complete in itself. It has many benefits. If seen, Kapalbhati is not any kind of pranayama. This is a claying technique which is included in yoga according to Shatkarma. Shatkarmas are those activities which, if done regularly, remove 60% of the toxic substances from the body. This activity is done with breath, hence it is called pranayama. If done properly, it keeps your mind calm and relieves you from more than 100 diseases. Doing Kapalbhati regularly proves beneficial to boost your immune system. Friends, how to do Kapalbhati and what are its benefits and precautions, which people should not do. We will know all this in the next video, so subscribe the channel, like the video. See you in the next video.